Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to adjust speed in Capcut, an easy guide for enhancing your videos. First, open your Capcut project and choose the video clip you want to edit. Look for the Edit button at the bottom of your screen and tap it. This action will reveal a menu of editing tools. From there, simply locate and select the Speed option to begin modifying your clip's playback rate. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once you've selected Speed, you'll see two main options, Normal and Curve. For a consistent speed adjustment across your entire clip, choose Normal. A slider will appear, allowing you to easily drag it left to slow down your footage or right to speed it up. You can adjust the speed from a very slow 0.1 times up to a super fast 100 times the original. Don't forget to tap the checkmark to apply your changes. If you're looking for more dynamic and creative speed changes, the Curve option is perfect. This feature allows you to apply non-uniform speed adjustments, creating exciting speed ramps. Capcut provides 5 helpful preset curves, such as Montage and Hero Time, to get you started. You can also customize a curve by adding or deleting beats, then dragging the points up or down to control the speed of specific segments. It's a fantastic way to add flair to your edits. After making your speed adjustments, always preview your video to ensure everything looks just right. If you want different speeds within a single clip, simply use the Split tool to divide it into multiple sections, then apply unique speed settings to each. Don't be afraid to experiment with both normal and curve speed options to achieve the perfect dramatic or comedic effect. Once you're happy with your edits, export your finished video to share your creative work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.